Howdy, howdy, howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 2005 installation, Tree Balance, by the artist Natalie Jeremijenko. Jeremijenko was born in Australia in 1966. She is known for combining art, engineering, science and technology within her works, and is the director of the X-Design Environmental Health Clinic at New York University. The installation, Tree Balance, balances two cloned trees, so that the viewer can notice the subtle differences between two objects that are genetically exactly the same. This work inspires me to incorporate considerations of science and mathematics into my art practice. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.